Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to make cool $5 every 2 minutes just trading the Deriv stays between goes outside strategy, guys. Alright guys, so before I share with us this awesome strategy, if you're new into our channel, please kindly go and smash that subscribe button and also turn that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, guys. And also guys, please kindly share our videos on all your social media platforms. You can share it on your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp groups, your WhatsApp channels, your Telegram groups, Telegram channels, your Facebook walls, Facebook pages, and so on and so forth. So please share our videos everywhere. Share our videos everywhere, guys. All right, guys. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into it. Let me show us how we can actually make $5 every 2 minutes by just trading the Deriv stays between goes outside strategy, guys. Let's jump into it, guys. So the first thing we have to do is we go to the market, which is right here. We come to this area here, click on this area here, we go to the market section, we click here. So as you can see, I click on it now, and we are going to be using volatility 10-1S index. So I'm going to put it on this pair, which is V10-1S. So I'm going to click on V10-1S. Then the next thing I have to do right here is to set my trade type. So my trade type is a Deriv stays between goes outside. So I'm going to click here and change this rise and fall to what? To Deriv stays between goes outside strategy, guys. So I'm going to click on it. So as you can see it here, stays between goes outside. So I'm going to click on it. Then the next thing I have to do right here is to set my duration. Now my duration is going to be 2 minutes, as you can see. So duration is, you can see, is on duration. Here is 2, and we're using what? Minutes. We're not using ticks or hours or days. We're actually using what? Minutes. So I click on minutes. Now we have to set our barrier offset. Now as you can see, we have the higher barrier offset and we have the lower barrier offset. So I'm going to set these two barrier offset to give me the actual amount I want. So I'm going to change this plus 144 to plus 10 or plus 1, whichever one. They are all the same thing. Plus 1.0 and plus 1 are the same thing. So whichever one you're using, they are all the same thing. So I'm going to change this lower barrier offset to what? To minus 1.0 as well. So as you can see, the higher barrier offset and the lower barrier offset I'm using the same figures, which is plus 1.0 and minus 1.0. All right. So for my staking amount, I'm staking what? I'm staking 100 USD on this particular trade. So yes, the return is very low, but the outcome is very positive. Like, you are sure of success every single time you place that trade, of which you can make lot of money for yourself every 2 minutes by just following this simple strategy, guys. All right. So before I show us this as in how to take this trade, if you know you're getting into our channel, please kindly go and smash that subscribe button and also turn that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, guys. All right, so let's jump into it. Now, how do we actually take this trade? Now, the first we have to do is we head straight to this area here, this section here. As you can see, you can see this box here that is giving us red and green color. As you can see, it's currently on red color, so it's going to change to green. Now it's on green. So this box here, where we have these numbers here. Now we are looking at the last two numbers here. The last number after the decimal point, the last two numbers. Now as you can see, the last number currently that we have here currently is 63. Now 58. Now 64. As you can see, so we're looking at these last two numbers here. Now what do we look out for? Now before I show us what we look out for, let's scroll all the way back down. Now if you look at this, particular area here where we have the stays between, and here we have the goes outside. Now looking at this area here, you're going to see that if now as I said that if you look at this now, you're going to say that I'm staking 100 USD. Now my staking amount here is 100. Then the payout here is 1,383, which means that if I actually click on this stays between, and the market goes my direction, I'll be coming out with a profit of $1,263. Yes, which is going to be my profit, because if I take away this staking amount, which is this $100 from here, that means that my profit is going to be what is going to be $1,284 USD. As you can see, the market is fluctuating. As you can see, it goes to 384.02, then 384.24. As you can see how it is fluctuating. All right. Now, if I should click on on this goes outside, I'll be making just $105 as my payout, but the profit here is $5, which is 5.07 USD. As you can see, this one here is very, very low, as you can see, compared to what you're actually risking. All right. So now, if you want to learn how to trade this one, which is this one here, where you risk a little money and you come out with huge profit, then you have to join my mentorship, which is my academy, to learn how to trade this one, because this is in the academy is where I teach all this kind of high returns, guys. So if you want to learn how to trade this one, then you have to click on the link in the video description to join the academy today and learn how to trade these higher returns, where you risk $100 to make very huge profits for yourself every single time. All right, guys. So now let's head back to how we can actually take this trade to make this $5 every 2 minutes. So I'm taking just 3 trades. I'm taking just 3 trades on this particular video. So how do we actually take this trade? So I head straight to this box here again, which is this area here. Now, looking at this box here now, like I said, we're looking at these last two numbers. These last two numbers here. Now, we're looking at from 0 to 20. From 0 to 20 is, so once these last two numbers here give us below 20. Below 20, that is when we do what? We click on the goes outside. On the goes outside. Like I said, I'm taking just 3 trades. All right, so let's wait for that. Now I saw 0.1, so I took my trade for goes outside. So let's go and view it, guys. So as you can see how the market is going. So we want price to actually go outside of the range, which is outside of the box. So currently we are not seeing the box right now, but if price goes up a little more, we're going to see the box. All right, so let's wait for it, guys. As you can see how price is doing, you can see how it is played. Now look at the box, look at the range here. You can see, so if price should touch this line above or below, we are going to come out with what? With our $5 cool. So let's see. As you can see, price has just hit the line, and we just made $5 right now. If you want to see it, if I scroll all the way down, you can see that we actually made $5. You can see profit of 5.06 USD, which is plus 5%. That is what we just made right now by just trading this simple strategy, as you can see. So now let's go take our second trade for today, guys. Like I said, we have to see this has to give us below 20. These last two numbers here. It's currently on 69.77. So we need to see it below 20. That's 40, 32, that's 38, that's 50. So now that's 0.9. So I saw 0.9, so I clicked on the goes outside. So let's go and view it, guys. So let's see. Like I said, we want price to go outside of the range. Currently, price is inside the range. So once price goes outside of the range, that is when we're going to make profit. So let's see, guys. Please, when trading this strategy, you have to apply what? You have to apply martingale. Yes, you have to apply martingale when trading this kind of strategy. Now, as you can see, we just hit our target again. We just made another $5. As you can see, price went outside of the range, as you can see, and we made $5. So if you want to see it again, let's scroll all the way down. You're going to see it. As you can see, we just made 5.07 USD. Just like that, without any stress. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, guys. All right, so let's go take our last trade for today. All All right, so like I said, we're looking at these last two numbers here, so if the last two numbers is below 20, that is when we'll take our trade. All right, guys, so before I take the last trade, if you know you're new to our channel, please kindly go and smash that subscribe button and also turn that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, guys. All right, so let's go take our last trade for today. That's 08. So I saw 08, and I just took my trade. I saw 08 and I took my trade. So let's view it, guys. So like I said, I saw 08. So let's see how this is going to play out, if we're going to come out profitable or not, guys. Like I said, price has to go above. Price has to actually go outside of the range before we can actually make profit. So currently we are not seeing the range now. Okay, very good. As you can see, very easy. We just hit our target. Very easy. We did actually see the line, but before you know it, the line just came up and we just hit the target profit. As you can see how price jumped. You can see how price jumped. Price was here and price just jumped and we hit our target profit. Easy peasy, without any stress, guys. All right, guys. So please, when trading this strategy, apply martingale and risk what you know you can afford to lose. Yes, risk what you know you can afford to lose. All right, guys. So thank you very much, everyone, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, guys. Thank you, and see you guys in our next video. Thank you, guys.